Well, summer's almost over. I know here in the South we really have a month and a half, but not everybody's watching this lives in the South. I'm tired of wearing just Bleu de Chanel or Sauvage. It smells good, but I smell like everyone else. I want to be different. I want to be new. Maybe if I mix them together. No, that's not it. Then I'll just smell like common and ordinary. Maybe I'll wear 6 sprays of red tobacco. No, then I'll unalive everybody within a mile radius, including me. Man, that thing's strong. Maybe I should just put on some body spray on top of my Bleu de Chanel and call it a day.
No!
Wait, what was that?
You will not dishonor yourself with such foolishness.
But I don't know what to wear.
PDM.
But Parfums de Marly doesn't have anything new.
ALTHAIR.
What? Come again?
I said ALTHAIR. Now look it up and buy before I smite you.
All right. Scent science. This one may be my favorite Parfums de Marly. Hey everybody, it's Ronnie from Scent Science, and I just got back from a haircut. Oh, let me take this off. I just got back from a haircut and I got a package. I've been looking forward to this. So I'm usually not a fan of Parfums de Marly. I only smelled like 3 of them, but this right here, I'm hoping would change my mind. So let's see what we got. Got a card here from Parfums de Marly. Thank you for your order. We hope you're delighted with your choice. Please share Parfums de Marly experience with us at Parfums de Marly. It says mercy on it, and then the back is a whole different language. First thing I got was a sample of Layton Exclusive. Let's see what that's about. Oh wow, that's different than the original Layton. This has a more peppery, but a slightly more spearmint with the mint and a little bit of that apple. They did a good job with this one right here. They did a good job with this one. This is the Exclusive. Will I get a full bottle of it? I don't know. I may have to get a good wear of this one first and to get my wife's opinion on it. All right, next, Delina La Rosee. I wanted to get something nice for my wife. She already got the Delina Exclusive. That's one of my favorite ones that she does wear and one of her favorites too. Now this right here is amazing. Let's see what the card says. It says it's a touch of freshness. I do smell that. That brightens up the skin. I can see that. Delina Rose is a blend of transparent water flowers with an opening of pear and a subtle base of soft wood and white musk. I can see that. I think my wife will like that. We'll definitely do a review on all these individually later on, but I think she'll like this. I really do. Let's see what else they gave me. They gave me a 10 ml of Pegasus. Okay, free travel size. I didn't know this was even coming. Now Pegasus may have to be my favorite. This is really good stuff here. This is clean, masculine, because some clean fragrances will lean to that laundry side of things or that fresh out the shower. This is amazing. I gotta look up the notes on these and get back with y'all on that. Let's see, do they have that on here? No, it doesn't. Doesn't have the notes on it. But Pegasus, I may get a full bottle of this. I'm gonna give it a full wear today, matter of fact. And now for what everybody's been waiting for, ALTHAIR. This is the new one. Let me get that into the camera there. Come on. This right here is the brand new one. Just came out this year. I wanted to make sure I got my hands on it when I can. Same standard Parfums de Marly's bottle. Has the 2 horses in the shield. 1743 Parfums de Marly, ALTHAIR. Heavy cap. I know y'all heard that. Hope I didn't break the counter. That's pretty good. That's like Layton Exclusive, and this is my nose. This is Layton Exclusive with a little richness to it. Some cinnamon, some spices. This right here is really good stuff. Let's see how that is on skin. I ran out of test strips, so gotta use skin. You get blasted with a little bit of alcohol off top, but they use that to make these last a little bit longer. It's drying down to a nice fizzy, slightly cinnamon fragrance. It's really, really well. It's not close to the skin, so it is projecting. I'm just getting close to it. Let's see what the dry down's like. Yeah, that dry down's nice. This would be perfect for a summer night. You may be able to get with about summer midday. You may on a light spray. Yeah, I'm definitely doing this. I was gonna give Pegasus a full wear, but I'm gonna give this one a full wear today. I'm gonna see exactly the reactions I get out of it. I gotta go around some friends and family tonight, and my wife gotta come home, so we'll see what she thinks about it. I'll give a full review on ALTHAIR and on Pegasus later, and the Delina, after my wife gets it a full wear. But yeah, this one right here, I would say definitely pick up. Definitely pick up. Get it from Parfums de Marly's website, because that's how I got all these other free goodies. I went directly to the source. Sorry, I just keep smelling it because, wow, that's nice. Yeah, and that's the video. I know this one was a little shorter than what we usually do, but I just wanted to get a quick review out there for y'all, especially since I just got it after I got my hair cut. This is Ronnie from Scent Science.